guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will learn another topic about simplifying math expression. So this week it's kind of the same with last week. So if you will simplify math expression, you will need to factor it and look for similar numbers or similar variables, and then you can cancel them. So this time we are actually factoring out trinomials. So if you need help for factoring trinomials, you can visit the other video I made in order for you to know. But this time we will just focus on factoring them directly, okay? So remember that if you factor out a trinomial, you need to consider the first term, and then the second term, and lastly the first term, let me erase this, the last term, and then the middle term. And then if you have plus plus here, what you will do? The answer is plus plus. If you have minus plus, the answer is minus minus. And if you have plus minus or minus plus, the answer here is actually, it also depends on which is the bigger number, or it has the bigger or what is the middle term. Okay, so you may choose this or this, depends on the middle term. So again, if you are not familiar with this, go back to the last video that I made in order for you to understand trinomials. So we'll go ahead and solve this. So first term, we actually have x squared as our first term. So this is x and x. Next is we have 18. So what are the factors of 18? Okay, so 18 is equal to, we have 2 times 9, and also we have 18 times 1, we have 6 times 3. Next is we will look at the middle term. The middle term is negative 11x. So let's try to add 2 plus 9. This is 11. Okay, so this is what we need. So we don't need the rest. So we have 11. Next is we will put 2 here and we will put 11 here. Okay, we have minus plus. So from here, we'll just need to select. So we have minus plus, so our sign is minus minus. So minus minus. Okay, put a horizontal line, and then we will factor out the denominator. So we have first term x squared, first term, so this is x and x. And then our last term is 8. So what are the factors of 8? That would be 2 times 4 and 8 times 1. So 2 plus 4, this is 6. 8 plus 1, this is 9. Do we have 2? No. So what we will need to do is to subtract 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 1, 7. So we have 2 here, so we will need to use this factor. Okay, so we have 2 and we have 4. The next step that you will need to do is the sign. So we have plus and minus. So here, plus and minus. So we will choose either of these two. So what is the best sign? Plus, minus, or minus, plus? It actually depends on the middle term. So we have here positive 2x. So our answer must be positive. And according to the laws of integers, we will need to put 4 to be the positive number and 2 to be the negative number so that we can get positive 2. Okay? So, we have plus 2, plus 4 minus 2 is positive 2. Okay? In order for us to have a positive output, we need to make the bigger number positive. So, we are using minus plus. Okay. The next thing that we will need to do is to cancel. So, we have a similar term here, x minus 2 and x minus 2. So, we will get rid of that. So, our final answer here is x minus 11 over x plus 4. And this is our precious answer. Okay. Let's do number 2. Okay. Let's solve number 2. So, put 2 parentheses over another 2 parentheses. Let's factor first the first term. So, we have a and a because this is a squared. Next, we have 5. So, what are the factors of 5? So, 5 times 1. Our middle term is 6. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, it matches. So, we have 5 here and 1 here. Look at the signs. Plus, 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 plus. So, plus, plus. And that's it. How about the lower term? We have a squared. So, this is a and a as well. We have 2, negative 2. So, let's have 2 here. So, the factor is 2 times 1. So, we will have 2 here and we will have 1 there. Let's go to the signs. This is minus minus. Okay, so we do have minus minus. So, minus minus is also included here. So, if you have minus minus, it's either of the two as well. So, no, this is not plus, this is minus. My mistake. So, that is minus minus, not plus minus. So, we have minus minus. So, either of the two. Our answer is negative. So, therefore, the bigger number here should be negative. So, we have negative 2, positive 1. So, negative 2, positive 1. So, this is our answer. Look at the equation if there is something that we can cancel. There is a plus 1. So, our final answer is a plus 5 over a minus 2. So, this is our answer. Okay. So, you may solve the third number. I will include that in your paper activity sheet. So, solve that one. And I will give extra points for that. So, yeah, that's it for me for today, guys. See you in our next video. And always be awesome. Be a math hero. Bye-bye.